Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. We are today on Alkes again. I have a 1.8k balance on here, guys. First, if you wanna play that side, you can use my promo code. Click here and type here text. That's code giving you 10% assistance and for free, guys. What does that mean? If you deposit $100, side giving 110. If you deposit $1,000, side giving $1,100 for free, guys. Don't forget to use my code on here, please. Text. That's code giving you really good items on here. Also, what can I say you? I had a giveaway on here, guys. Let me show you $150 totally. 30 participant yet. It's too less now. We are giving really good 3 CS2 skins for play. You need to deposit $7 on my code. Also share on Twitter, guys. Totally 150 third participant and 3 prizes and 19 days remaining now. Don't forget our event on here, guys. If you wanted, you can deposit and take these tokens. If you wanted, you can open that cases and take these tokens. You can use your tokens on event vault, token vault, item generator, event store, and don't forget, look at the face of tournaments on here. Look at that one, a lot of good tournament on here, boys. Okay, now let's do battle directly. I wanna try battles today. Which case for today? Black Flash. Let's try Black Flash case from 10 times 4 way with a Zavod Knight now. Ulri, Zyvash. Oh my gosh, bro, it's not possible, bro. You're just kidding me. How much does pull it? Ooh, totally 2k. It's bad, bro. We pay all of the 800 for that. Let's have one more medal on here, but let's try Undying Case from 4 times, Thunder from 5 times, Black Lemonade from 3 times, 4 times, and Iron Fish from 2 times. And 1 time Stunning Stars. For the way that I would right now, bro, it's too big for us. Totally 1k. 16 case, 1k. Eight one just, it's not too big. It's not too big for this battle. Oh my gosh, bro, we hit 3 good items. At the moment we hit Masterpiece. No fucking way, I think it's not possible, but what can I say? White Fires, Atomic Alloys. Rip. Firstly, Rip needed something big. We hit a kill confirm it. Factor Neve, of course, bro, of course, of course. I don't say anything for you. I don't say anything. Today we will not win. It's correct, it's correct. Just watch it, bro. I can't say anything for that. Even Rip, but if everyone hit Karambit Doppler or Black Lemonade with Factor New, we can win, of course. Rip even, but Of course we lose it. Okay, it's okay for us. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to use my code on here. Type here text, that's code giving you 10% off 7 cents for free. Guys, don't forget to use the giveaways on SKİN on find my name. Text. Don't forget our giveaway, guys. I say it for you. Thank you for supporting me. Have a nice day, have a nice evening. Bye bye, mates. Choose, guys.